Hey feds, this question needs a little bit of explanation, and we have to dive into this one. Now we can take this question and it's very specific, but we can use this generally as well. Here's the question. A financial advisor told me I can convert my TSP to a gold bullion based IRA. Is this true? And what are the pros and cons? So is it true? Yes. When you say convert, we're talking about a rollover. And what you typically do is you take your TSP and you roll it over to an IRA, and then you can invest in anything you want to after that. And one of those things could be gold that you invest in. So can you do that? Yes. Pros and cons? Well, there are definitely pros and cons. But personally, I don't know what those are. And that's like saying, well, what if I did real estate with that instead? Or what if I put that into the S&P 500 compared to tech stocks? Or, well, there are literally tens of thousands of things that you could do with money in an IRA. Gold is just one of those. Now, is that right for you? Is that right for someone else? Pros and cons, yes, there are, but that's something that you'll have to research. That's something that you would want to talk to your financial advisor about. By the way, if your financial advisor doesn't understand federal benefits, I'm just gonna say this, you need a new advisor. I'm just gonna be straight up and honest with you about that. If they don't understand federal benefits, then you could be missing out on things, rules and laws and different things. I think it's great that you have a financial advisor. I think well done. I am 100% on board with that. I think that is great to help guide you through it. But if they don't understand the federal aspect of things, you gotta have someone who does. It's really, really important. In fact, we talk a little bit about that in our workshops, that for me, that's a non-negotiable. Federal employees have to have an advisor that understands federal employee benefits. Not just have helped a few people, but have really studied it, gone and helped hundreds, if not thousands, of federal employees specifically, because your case is a little bit different. And then they can understand, okay, will gold be even a better option for you? And they'll have more answers for you that way. Come join us. You'll learn more about that as well.